Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we send 2-ton power complete petty straw production line to India. This production line including an 55 kilowatt hammer mill and a 132 kilowatt pellet machine and all screw conveyors, material silo and all electric control panel. Our hammer mill grinding the petty straw to powder size, capacity 2-ton per hour, and our 132 kilowatt pellet machine, the capacity for making pellet is also 2-ton per hour.